Today I'm going to interview Mr. Tuomo Vuopala,
Hello.
who is working as a field application engineer in the Cypress Semiconductor. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Could you first shortly describe about your educational background?
Yeah, so I'm the Master of Science in Electronic Engineering, and my master's was in electronics design.
Okay. And you have been graduating on...
In 2002.
And since that, can you also tell something about your professional background?
Yeah, so I did my thesis in a company which is doing the IC, the integrated circuits, and I was there working as a design engineer for 4 years before joining a company who was then designing mobile phones. It used to be a big Finnish mobile phone maker called Nokia at that days. Then I was working 8 years in there, and after that I joined a startup for automotive industry. And I was there for a bit over a year, and then joined Cypress Semiconductor, and I've been there now almost 4 years.
Okay. And if you consider your own field of work, do you consider yourself as an expert? And maybe from which perspective you are, and from maybe from which perspectives you haven't?
Yeah, so yes, of course, we are expert after working 20 years, almost 20 years in the industry. And I'm expertise in mobile phones, and I see design as well, and now I'm helping my customers with the integrated circuits when they are doing their own projects with our chips. So I'm basically helping them out with their challenges while integrating the circuits in their designs.
Okay. Okay, if you think your own field of work, how do you recognize an expert? And how does expert differ from a novice?
The expertise comes with the experience basically, and after you are experienced enough, you are able to know that what are the problems the customers may be facing in the later phase. So basically giving already advice beforehand, before they are even facing the problems, so that all the things are already considered before they are turning into troubles. And the novice is usually the one who doesn't have the experience, and they are doing the designs the hardest way, and that is postponing the devices into market, and that gives the customer bad experiences with your company, because you are the representative of your company with the chips.
And you mentioned that experience is something which characterizes an expert, but what do you think that what is the role of formal education in gaining expertise?
Basically the expertise is built on top of the education. So after you have graduated in the school, you have the basic knowledge in wide big area, and after you are expertise, you are considering some point of the design, you are gaining the wide experience in that, and after that you are experienced in that area, and then you are considered as an expert.
Okay. Okay, my last question is that how do you increase your own expertise?
The expertise is gained while doing the projects. We have the various projects in area of industrial designs, and we have like consumer products and mobile specific product area, and then we are having the continuous learning provided by the company. So we are getting the area, and then we are having the continuous learning provided by the company. So we are getting the devices and the new tools that we have.
Okay, those were my questions, so thank you for the interview.
Thank you.